Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watch later videos from your YouTube. So simply we need to go to our YouTube. Here we need to type the YouTube. This is my YouTube where I'm watching all the videos, and here I need to remove a watch later videos. The sidebar, this is the sidebar of my YouTube. If sidebar is shown like this, you simply need to click on this button, and here you get the complete details of your sidebar. And I need to remove the watch later videos. Simply click on the watch later, and here you can see the watch later menu. This is the watch later videos. On any video there is the three dot button. You simply need to click on this three dot, and here you have an option remove from the watch later. Simply click on this, and here you can see your video is deleted. Same goes for this. We simply click on this, and by following these steps we can easily remove the videos from our watch later. Here I am showing you that I am going to remove all the videos from my watch later, and here you can see all the videos are removed. There is no video remaining here. So by following this simple step you can easily remove videos from your YouTube. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.